attending the Sigma Dubai conference, which has been quite amazing for us so far. So from the bunch of the crypto-related products that Paybis offers, I would love to focus on one specific product, which is called Corporate On-Ramp, and I want to specifically touch the case related with EMIs. We would love to start offering the crypto services to the B2B clients, but they struggle to do so because they do not have a proper licensing. It's very time-consuming and costly for them to get one. So with our white label corporate on-ramp product, they can easily start offering crypto on-ramp services to their B2B clients. This product can seamlessly be integrated into their UI, and they will be ready to serve clients from 150 countries. So if you're an EMI looking to start some crypto business, please reach out to us and our team will guide you through the process.